Hi, this is Subhan Sheikh, and this is my take on the movie Sound of Metal by Darius Martin. Riz Ahmed is definitely a major figure involved in the making of this film. He plays the role of a character named Ruben, who's a heavy metal drummer, and later on he goes deaf. Throughout the film, the viewers can feel the difficulties and stress Ruben goes through. He goes to different therapies and stuff like that. Ruben was actually perfect for this role since he learned how to play the drums for 6 months in order to play this role. This movie is sad but also kind of wholesome, like how in the end Ruben decides he has to live his life like this from now on.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Fazil Sheikh and my registration number is 49618. Today I'm here for giving a presentation about one movie, and the movie name is Sound of Metal. The film production team. Directed by Darius, music by Nicholas and Abraham, and the cast is Riz Ahmed, Olivia Cook, Paul Radke, Matthew Malrick, and Lon Randolph. And the film was released theatrically on 20 November 2020 in theaters.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sohail Amma and I'm going to talk about the film Sound of Metal, that who was major personally involved in this film. This film directed by Darius Martin and their actor Riz Ahmed and other is Olivia Cook. Film was produced by three producers. First Sacha bin Hayruts and other is Bert Hamling and last is Michael Costigan.
मूवी का मेन आइडिया ये है कि हमें जो डेफ़ पीपल है उनको तरजीह देना चाहिए, ना कि उन्हें कमतर समझना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत पहले से बहुत सारी चीज़ों से लड़े, जो कि बहुत बड़ी बात है। और हमारा उनको कुछ ना समझना उनकी ज़िंदगी में और भी मुसीबत पैदा कर देती है। मूवी से मुझ पे ये असरात हुए हैं कि मेरे दिल में ख़ास पहले से ज़्यादा डेफ़ पीपल के लिए जगह बन गई और उनको अच्छी तरह से समझ चुका हूँ मैं।
Ubaid Abbasi 42965. Movie name is Sound of Metal. I feel emotion everyone can experience deeply like Robin while watching this movie. I like his pain and frustration and also the loneliness. The technical work has been done very strongly. Sound and designs and the effects used in these movies are exactly the same as a deaf person can experience in his life.
My name is Wali Sheikh and my registration number is 51995. I am going to tell you that what are the major ideas conveyed in the film and what impact did the film have on us. So the first film is Sound of Metal. The main idea was to create a sound experience that audiences had never heard before. In this, they have showed the journey of Ruben, a punk metal drummer with a sudden hearing loss and eventually deafness. The impact this movie had on us, that it's quiet and where we empathize with the terror of Ruben. Sound of Metal is a sensitive film. It has the atmospheric sound for those who process it solely as audio. Everyone hears the ending in the exact same way.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jawad Shah and I'm from Iqra University EDC campus and my registration number is 52543. So the strength of the movie, in my opinion, was the acting of the main actor Riz Ahmed. He was exceptional. He completely blew my mind through his performance. The sound designer should also get the praise because I think they were the backbone of this movie as they made me realize what was Rubin Stone going through. However, weaknesses of this movie, for me, it was the ending. I was expecting Ruben to pursue his career rather than all letting it out. So if I were given this movie to direct, I would completely change its ending.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई एम नमान अली। अगर इसमें स्टंट की बात की जाए तो सबसे बड़ी स्टंट ये है कि कैसे रुबिन अपनी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा होता है, जब अपने सुनने की सलाहियत खो देता है, जब वो गुस्सा करता है, जब वो फ्रस्ट्रेट होता है, जब वो अपना अकेलापन फील करता है। अगर वीकनेस की बात की जाए तो उस मूवी में सबसे बड़ी वीकनेस ये है कि मूवी के शुरू में कहानी बिल्ट होने से पहले ही ट्विस्ट किया जाता है, चाहे वो रुबिन की प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हो या चाहे वो उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड हो।
मूवी की अच्छी बात ये थी कि हमें डेफ पीपल की परेशानी से हमें आगाह किया कि वो कैसे अपने रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी जीते हैं। मूवी की एक अच्छी बात ये भी है, जो एक्टर है अहमद, उसका अपने रियल लाइफ जो कंफर्ट जोन है उसका, उसमें से निकल कर एक डेफ पर्सन बनना, ये भी इस मूवी की बहुत अच्छी बात है। लास्ट में जो एंडिंग दिखाते हैं कि वो आता है, बैठता है चर्च के सामने और बस ख़त्म, तो ये मुझे बहुत वीक पॉइंट लगा या वो ये दिखाते कि वो डेफ कम्युनिटी के पास चले जाता है, या वो ये दिखाते कि वो इसी वॉइस के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करके नई ज़िंदगी शुरू करता है। बट उन लोगों ने कुछ नहीं दिखाया और वहीं पर एंड कर दिया। तो ये इस मूवी की मुझे वीकनेस लगी।
The Sound of Metal is different from other movies of the time because the director has made something innovative from the movie. The sound effects of the movie are so powerful, so effective that a person watching movie feels himself in the place of hero. He hears what the hero is hearing, and that's nothing, that's just an echo. And that's the key point that makes the Sound of Metal movie different from others.
The film compared to other films, the movie is about deaf community. The sound effect in this movie is amazing. The music director introduced unique music in the film industry.
साउंड ऑफ मेटल का जो मुझे फैक्ट और क्वालिटी लगी विद कंपेयर टू अदर फिल्म से, वो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे म्यूज़िक पसंद आई। उस म्यूज़िक में वो जो एक हीरो था, वो एक बहरा होकर भी ऐसी म्यूज़िक बजाता है जिसकी कोई हद ही नहीं। आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड एंड मैं ज़्यादा प्रेफर करूँगा दूसरी फिल्मों से इस म्यूज़िक में।
Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Hassan Masood from Group 21. My registration number is 52504 and my campus is EDC. The key element or the primary focus of this movie was a person who is shown to be wandering around the city to meet another subject with side camera angle in the first shot and with a simple rule of thirds frame that was used in that particular shot, same as second shot, but in the third shot the camera was taken from the front side to the subject and the fourth camera angle was taken from right, and the last shot was also showing the front side of the subject. The camera was moving along with the subject as well till the third shot, and the mid wide angle lens was used to complete the shot, and there were 5 cuts in between the shots to make up one complete sequence. The subject whose motive was to meet the person he was looking for, and this whole sequence holds the dominant part of these shots. Rule of thirds, golden spiral, symmetry, and the balanced frame rule were used in the making of this film, and the camera angles were one shot and two shots that were mostly used in the making of this film.